Alright, hooligans, we're all loaded up, ready to go. Heading to North Carolina. Gonna meet up with John, do some great riding up there. We'll pick you up on the road. We were thinking about parking here, but we changed our minds. Alright guys, hope everybody's doing good. I am too. Doing the inaugural run here in North Carolina. Just leaving our cabin. Should be a good ride, man. We're just riding down to a place called Gym 64 in Tennessee. Cool little bar down there we found. So we'll take you in there and show you around there also. But yeah, man, I'm excited to check out these roads up here. It's a beautiful day up here right now. Guys, I dropped that cam in here too, man. It is a new bike. It's awesome. I freaking took it for the first test drive, man, and it I lifted the wheel off, the front wheel off the ground in first and second gear, so the torque's off the chain. I would take a little cruise past Cherokee Lake up here. Real nice, man. Place we drop our kayaks all the time. I think tomorrow we are doing the Cherahalla Skyway, I believe it's called. Sorry if I got that wrong, but I'm sure you all heard of that. We got John Boy with us. You subscribers will know. He's my main bud I ride with all the time. And he's got a place up in Georgia, so he's staying over tonight at the old cabin. Gonna do the Skyway tomorrow. So looking forward to that, man. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Gonna hang out tonight and party at the cabin. Catch a little buzz there. You know how we roll. Damn, man. What is it out here? 74 degrees. Perfect. That feels like 70 without that Florida humidity going. Got Deneen riding her little Riker with us today. So this is her first time running North Carolina too, man. She's gonna be digging that. But I did that, like I said, I got the cam put in, and I did the 2020 oil pump, just so I don't have that potential sumping problem. And I think I did have it a little bit on long rides or very hot rides. Something was going on. The oil light would come on, so I know it was foaming up or something in there. So we are good to go there, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. And it was pretty cheap too, to be honest with you. Definitely worth it. Just so you're not worried about it the whole time. Yeah, this is this road right here is 294. Beautiful. I believe the roads we're taking today are 294 to 123 to 68 to 74 and back home. And that Highway Gym 64, there's a bar that's on 74. Some of y'all might have been there. It's a pretty cool place. They got me leading this little group, which could be a big mistake, because I am directionally challenged. Big time directionally challenged. And Florida's a little easier being all a grid. Up here with the twisties, I'll probably get lost. God, temperature couldn't be any better. This is awesome. T-shirt and a vest, and that's it. This is Cherokee Lake coming up. This is where we drop the kayaks in. It's a huge lake with so many finger channels going out all the way to Hiawassee, Georgia, and beyond. But the lake's over here to the right. You probably can't see it from here. Nah. But it is back in there. Yeah, I am stoked for tomorrow. I've always wanted to do that Skyway. See all those videos on YouTube, man. It looks friggin' awesome. Yeah, I'm honestly thinking about leaving the old road glide up here and picking up another bike down south. Leave one in Florida. I need something to ride with Joseph down there. John's looking at selling his road glide and picking up a 23. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I think I could ride this every day. Yeah, Danine's doing great on that Riker back there. Kind of tough to corner in that thing, you know, with the two wheels up in front. Got to kind of lean your body into it. Tell you what, for planning just a short little ride to get to the bar, man, this is a great little ride. I gotta remember this one. Ducktown Basin. Oh, okay, we're in Ducktown. Very cool little area in Tennessee. Just over the North Carolina border.
Beautiful ride, I don't care where we go.
I know, it's beautiful, isn't it?
A whole lot deeper than gone.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah, the cam's running like blub 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 now. I love it. She said, fuck it. Here I am waiting for her, not us. Yeah, I'm waiting for the traffic for her to be safe. She takes off without us. Too funny. Girl's got some balls. Alright, so we're on 74, hopefully the right direction, heading towards Highway 74, Highway 64 Gym. Get a couple beers there, head back to the cabin, and have a little party back there. Woo, what a view. John said, what a great ride, I don't care where we're going. In usual John Boy fashion. Talk about a guy who loves a ride. Girl needs to learn how to follow, doesn't she? Yeah, hear this thing now?
Yeah, big difference.
Blub, 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 blub.
I was hanging with you for a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't really open it up.
Sure.
I didn't lift the tire off the ground yet.
So you did oil pump and camps?
Yeah.
Let me show you all we're on Gym 64 in Tennessee, Copper Hill, Tennessee, I believe.
Yeah, this is the 4 lane, what they call it, what we call the 4 lane.
We're the only ones in here. Oh, they got a drive-through, huh? Cool. Yeah, it's a real cool spot, man.
And then we came across and ended up right here. And we're only 6 miles down the street from my house.
Oh, wow, check this out. Oh, wow, bandstand far out, man. I didn't know they had bands up in here. I could see this place banging at night, huh? Get a good band in here. Man, they got a huge bandstand out there.
Yeah, and a nice tiki bar out there too, right?
Yeah, no tiki bar.
I thought there was a bar out there.
No. Just tables.
Oh, this bar. Okay,
Yeah.
I got you.
That was awesome, huh?
That was amazing.
You enjoy that?
I had a blast.
The weather's perfect.
Weather's perfect.
Roads are perfect.
Roads are perfect.
I know.
Just enough to get a little chilly in the, in the
Yeah.
shade. And
No
then nice and
potholes.
warm
The only bumps I hit was that one railroad track. That was brutal.
Oh, that was horrible.
Yeah.
I hit my butt really hard.
Other than that, man, my bike's running fucking killer.
But definitely tomorrow I won't be able to do tomorrow.
No, jump on the back, man. Yeah.
I'd feel much better.
That's cool. No
Then
biggie.
once we do it, once with you and I'm comfortable, then I could probably do it myself.
Yeah.
before
No,
we
you did.
leave.
You did great today.
Do you think?
Yeah, I'm looking back every time you weren't like pushing hard towards one side, you know, trying to make a turn. You know what I mean?
No.
I mean, I kept it real nice and easy too.
You did. You were trying. I could tell. I could tell. He's keeping up normal speed for me.
Mm-hmm.
A couple times you took off a little bit. It was cool trying to catch up. It was awesome.
I figured you were comfortable in the 40 to 50 range.
I'm comfortable anywhere up to 65. After 65 miles an hour, I'm very fucking
Yeah, that thing beats you up at 65.
It's not meant for 65 miles an hour.
Nah, that's a cruiser.
Yeah, this is not meant for that.
He's grabbing his phone. Tell him to call Joseph.
Oh yeah? He's calling Joseph right now?
I'm gonna tell him to rub it in. We gotta get his ass up here, man.
He can come stay with us. He can come stay with us.
Joseph?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'd rather have him stay with us. He's a blast.
Yeah.
He's a blast. A total blast. Just no holds barred. Just like we like it.
Yep. All right, so Deneen locked us out of our house, so I gotta text my builder. He has a spare key. Hopefully we can get back in. Damn, I had my phone in my back pocket the whole time, dumbass. Dumas, Mr. Dumas.
Got a nice fire pit. I like that.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it's popping out here at night, man.
Cornhole.
Not right now, John. After we get home, I'll cornhole you.
Oh!
All right, guys. Hope you're digging the place, man. Really cool bar. Had a killer ride coming here. Like I said, I didn't even plan on being that long. Yeah, this is the place.
You said that,
Hey.
All right, yo, we're leaving the bar. As you can tell, we had a killer time in there as usual, and we're gonna head down 74 here and head back to the cabin, have a little party there, do some shots. I'll try to get some footage for you guys there. I'm sure it's gonna be a good night. I'm glad y'all could ride along with us today. Glad I could show you around some of North Carolina, Tennessee here. Yeah, let me know in the comments where y'all are from if you're watching. I'm kind of curious where everybody's from that's watching the videos. There we go. Welcome to North Carolina. We're back in it. Ah, shit! I should have put a jacket on, man. A little chilly out. Man, a lot of bikes out today. Understandably. Yeah, a guy that built my cabin dropped off some banana and caramel moonshine, man. 110 proof. We'll be getting into that tonight. Stuff is really good. North Carolina moonshine, y'all. Oh yeah, it's really cold out now. It's nice though, nice change from Florida. I'm definitely not sweating, that's for sure. Yeah, we'll pick up on the next video. That's going to be the Skyway, I believe it's called. gonna do that with Danine's gonna be in the back of my bike, and we'll do it with John Boy. Should be a good time. Pull over, check out some of the views for you. Stay tuned for that video. Oh, there's shit in the road right there, boy.